Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we're talking about the Huawei Y7p. This is the new Huawei Y7p. It is Huawei Mobile Kenya first HMS smartphone for the Kenyan market. HMS stands for Huawei Mobile Services, which replaces Google's mobile services. The packaging is the same as with all Huawei smartphones we've used before. A bright render of the phone at the front with the sides having the name and other details like color and IMEI numbers on the side. When you unbox your new Huawei Y7p, you'll get the phone depending on the color you choose. I got the Aurora Blue here as you can see. It looks stunning. You'll also get the usual stuff you get in the box. A clear plastic cover to protect your phone, paperwork that will explain stuff to you, a SIM ejector tool, a micro USB cable, a 10-watt charging brick, and Huawei's earphones. The phone has a 6.39-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 1560 by 720 and a very small punch hole in the corner on the front. It is powered by the Kirin 710F processor with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. It has a 4000 mAh battery, and all this is for less than 19,000 Kenya shillings, which is a good deal. It runs Android 9 Pie with MIUI 9.1. The phone's key feature is its 48-megapixel AI triple camera setup, which is comprised of a 48-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for 120-degree ultra-wide photos and videos, plus a 2-megapixel depth assist camera for depth of field effects. The cameras also support night mode to excel in low light situations and can shoot 480 frames per second slow motion video. In addition to this, the Y7p also brings to the segment powerful AI, as Huawei calls it, which recognizes more than 500 scenes in 21 categories. The selfie front camera is an 8-megapixel shooter that promises high-quality selfies with the help of AI. When you turn on your new phone for the first time, you'll get the usual Huawei setup process you get with all Huawei devices. First, select language, then select the region, then insert your SIM card, then connect to Wi-Fi, then set the PIN and fingerprints, then opt to join the user experience program, then enable software updates. As a Huawei phone and as an Android phone, the Y7p will still receive updates from Huawei. After that, you get to set data import. Here, it is good that if you're moving from another phone, either an Android or an iOS, to go ahead and import data so as to have everything from the old phone come to the new phone. But you could also just skip this and use Huawei's phone clone, which I will show you later on in this video. Once the setup process is done, you arrive at your home screen. These are all the apps you get on your new device. No bloatware, literally. So how do you install apps on your new Y7p? Well, there's App Gallery from Huawei. The first time you open it, you'll need to give it permission. It will then recognize the region you're in. As you can see, it says Kenya here, and then suggest for you a set of recommended apps to install. Pick the apps you need and then deselect the apps you don't need. Among the apps suggested you'll see include GB WhatsApp, My Safaricom apps, Snapchat, TikTok, and many others. Once you pick them, hit install. You'll also get a notification to update App Gallery to the latest version. As you can see, updates are seamless and all apps will receive updates directly from the App Gallery. App Gallery has a collection of apps you can choose from. If you have the Huawei ID, you can go ahead and sign in to have all your previous data move with you. If you don't have Huawei's ID, you can create one, but you're not forced to create one or to sign in to use App Gallery. It allows you to download without signing in. As you've seen, we didn't have to sign in to download anything. On App Gallery, apps have been well categorized to games, gifts, wish lists, apps chosen by Huawei's editors, top-rated apps, among more. Each of these apps have been checked by Huawei, and Huawei says they will run well on your device. You can discover apps by checking the various categories in place and hitting install. You can also just hit search and find an app you want if it is available in the app gallery, and then you can download it. Since the HMS phone doesn't support Google mobile services, apps from Google won't be able to run. For such apps and services, you'll need to open the Huawei browser and access them from there. From the browser, Google Maps, Google Shortcut, YouTube, Gmail, and all the rest will work okay. You can also find more shortcuts to other sites when you hit more in the browser. These are shortcuts to sites that Huawei believes will be useful to you. The browser will also be a key to letting you to see other places where you can download and install apps from, because not all apps will be available currently through App Gallery. Huawei believes that in time every app will be available through App Gallery, but for now, to get more apps to install, you need to check other stores, and Huawei has a couple of stores it is recommending. So in the browser, when you hit App Guide, you will get a guide from Huawei to help you find apps from different stores. Huawei is currently recommending APK Pure and Aurora Store. Remember that these services are to use only if you find that the app you need is not on App Gallery. Installing APK Pure involves downloading the file from the provided link and setting it up. APK Pure is another alternative store with a big collection of Android apps. From APK Pure, you can find very many apps including WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. For example, let's set up WhatsApp and let's set up Facebook. First, you search for it, hit install, allow installing permissions, and there you go. WhatsApp is installed. Same is the process with Facebook as with all other apps available through APK Pure. From APK Pure, you'll also find Google Apps. They will install alright on your phone, but when you launch them, you will be hit with a disclaimer that they're not supported. So, to use such Google services, just rely on the browser because that works. Remember, you can also move all your current content on your phone to the new Huawei Y7p easily with the Huawei Phone Clone app that Huawei is suggesting. All you need to do is install Huawei Phone Clone on the old phone, then tell the app that that is the old phone. On the new phone, go to Tools, Phone Clone, and set it up as the new phone. From there, you'll be able to easily move everything, including your call logs, messages, apps, and everything from the old phone into the new phone. When you buy the new Huawei Y7p, the store or wherever you buy the phone from will be able to explain to you everything that's explained in this video. There will also be a pamphlet Huawei says that will carry all the information on how to set up your new Android phone and how to install apps. Those guidelines should help you have a smooth transition to the new ecosystem Huawei is building. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and subscribe.